guys like movies?
Yes.
Okay. I like movies.
I like movies.
Okay, so let's play Taboo. So you're gonna guess a movie character, but with a twist.
Ah.
The twist is that I can't say the name or two words on the card. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do the first character. So, this character is a boy who goes to a special school. Yeah.
Forrest Gump.
No. Is it Forrest Gump?
Is it Forrest Gump?
No. This boy learns to use powers. Yes?
Is it Harry Potter?
Yeah, good job. You want to play?
Yes, I want to play.
Okay, so take a card, show it. And now,
Oh.
now you
He's tall. He has a cape. He fights with a.
Yes, Dana?
Is it Spider-Man?
No. He is in space. It goes. Is it Darth Vader? Yes.
Oh, good. Well done. And so you can continue doing that until you move on to the next exercise. All right. Bye.
Bye.
Dun, 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 dun.